Anil, An, Anil sir.
Hello. This lesson that electricity. Hello. Yes, student. In our previous lesson of electricity, we have studied that electricity, it shows the heating effect of electric current. Now, today we are going to start with the new lessons. That is the lesson number 13, magnetic effect of electric current. Today our lesson is the magnetic effect of electric current. And in this lesson, we are going to study when we are passing the electric current through a conductor. That time it will then show the magnetic effect also. So this lesson is also very, very interesting itself. So we will study so many terms in this, how we can pass the electric current through a conductor and how it behaves as a magnet. So all the electromagnetisms, the phenomenon of electromagnetism, we will study in this lesson. Now, student, when we will pass the electric current from the conductors or from the wire, that time there will be magnetic field will be produced or magnetic field will be developed around that conductors. Now, students, here I have a diagram. Here is a nail. That iron nail is there. Iron nail is there. Now I have wounded the copper wire. It is insulated copper wire. I have wounded it and I have given the two connections. One is from one end is attached to the battery. This is a 4.5 volt battery. One end of the wire, it is attached to this, and one end of the wire, it is attached to the another terminal of the battery. Now, student, when I will switch on, when the current starts flowing through this iron nail, this large iron nail. Now, students, now it will show the magnetic effect. It will behave as a magnet. How this can be proved and how we can detect that one. Now I'll take the small pieces of tiny nails. Then I'll take the small pieces of the tiny nails, means very, very small nail. छोटे छोटे nails मैं लूंगा और जैसे ही मैं उन nails को इस बड़े वाले nail के पास लेकर आऊंगा, they will start attracting toward this large iron nails. It means that when I have passed the electric current from this nail itself has become magnet, or it is behaving like a magnet. Now, students, how it is behaving like a magnet? Because it is attracting the tiny iron nails toward itself. That's why I can say that this iron nail has become the magnet, or it is behaving like the magnet. It is behaving like the magnet. Is it clear, students? So we'll study about the magnet and property of magnetisms, magnetic field lines and their properties, and everything we'll study in this lesson, students. Now here, magnetic effect of electric current. I'm going to write down the definition. So please note down magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current means that when electric current flowing in a wire, flowing in a wire produces a magnetic field around it. What this statement says, students? This statement says magnetic effect of electric current means when electric current flowing in the wire, when electric current flowing in this wire, then it will produce a magnetic field around it. Is it clear, students? So I have written the definitions or the statement of magnetic effect of electric current. Please, you can note down the magnetic effect of electric current means that when electric current flowing in a wire, it produces a magnetic field around it. I have shown this diagram shown in this diagram, and I will explain also when this iron nail, it is bounded by the insulated copper wire, when the electric current passes through this wire, and this nail, large iron nail, it will behave as a magnet, or it will show the properties of magnetism by attracting the small or the tiny iron nails toward itself. Then it indicates that these tiny nails will attract toward this larger, this iron nail. So it means this large iron nail, it has become as a magnet, or it behave as a magnet. So this is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Please first you note down this definition, then afterward, then I'll explain what is magnet and what is magnetic field. Please note down. Hence, student, we can say that electric current can produce the magnetism. So this statement itself is a self-explanatory, and we can say on passing the electric current, this shows the property of electromagnetism. Is it clear, students? It is the first concept of this lesson's magnet, as it is the name of the lesson is magnetic effect of electric current. So we'll study so many things in this. So each and every first all the points I'll clear to you. Then further that we'll go for this. What are the appliances in which this type of the magnets are used, and how they are behaving as a electromagnets, and what are their uses and utilizations also. Now, students, very, very important definitions. There's a magnet. We can say that कि magnet जो है हम किसको कहें? Magnet means the material which is having property of attracting the pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt. The material which is having property of attracting the pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt, that material can be, we can say that this material is known as magnet. Clear, students? I'll write down the definition of the magnet. Then it is object. It is an object. I'll write down the definition. It is an object. It is an object which attracts pieces of iron, nickel, and cobalt. That object is said to be magnet. उस ऑब्जेक्ट को स्टूडेंट्स हम मैग्नेट कहेंगे जो आयरन, निकल, कोबाल्ट को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा, उसको हम कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज कॉल्ड द मैग्नेट. हुआ क्या था स्टूडेंट्स? I'll tell you one of that story about this magnetism. How the first the magnet was discovered. कैसे हुआ था कि there was one farmer that he was that going in the field along with so many ships, the sheep. ठीक है, भेड़ों के साथ वो उनको गया फील्ड में लेकर, और क्या करते कि he was standing on a stone. He was standing on a stone, and there were some of the nails which were already in his shoes. उसके शूज के अंदर कुछ nails थे, and he was standing on at a stone. So after some time, what he felt, yes, he was unable to lift his foot. वो अपने पाँव को उसके ऊपर से, पत्थर के ऊपर से उठा नहीं पा रहा था. Then he could realize, yes, there is something is there in this stone which is not allowing my foot to lift it up, means it is attracting. So वहां से स्टूडेंट स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे हुआ था कि वो जिस स्टोन पे खड़ा था, जो भेड़ों को चराने वाला व्यक्ति जब फील्ड में गया तो वो जब खड़ा हुआ था उसके स्टोन के ऊपर, तो उसके शूज के नीचे नेल थे. तो उसने क्या देखा कि जैसे वो अपना पाँव को लिफ्ट करने लगा तो इमीडिएटली क्या हुआ कि that he was unable to lift his feet from that stone. Immediately he shouted and he felt very happy, and yes, and he was surprised also to see that there is something is there in this stone which is attracting the small pieces of the nails which are already in his shoes. So students starting तो वहां से हुआ था कि पता चला था कि कोई ऐसा स्टोन है जिसके अंदर ये प्रॉपर्टी है फॉर अट्रैक्टिंग द पीसेस ऑफ आयरन, निकल एंड कोबाल्ट, और उसको हमने क्या कह दिया, दैट इज कॉल्ड द मैग्नेट. दैट इज कॉल्ड द मैग्नेट. Please note down the definition of magnet. Now students, there's one scientist, that was a Hans Christian Ørsted. That was a scientist in the 19th century. It was a Hans Christian Ørsted. Now students, he was the scientist in the 19th century. He has given the law of electromagnetism. इस scientist ने, Hans Christian Ørsted, he is in the 19th century. He has given the law of electromagnetism, जिसने electromagnetism के बारे में बताया था हमको. So name of that scientist is Hans Christian Ørsted. Now it is a 19th century में उसने हमारे को law of electromagnetism का जो है उसके बारे में उसने बताया था हमको. ठीक है student, please note down. So now we are going to study about the bar magnets. Bar magnet. And what is bar magnet? And then bar magnet, property of the bar magnets, and now students, the magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So this is our next topic. Please note down. You must have noted down, students. Now student, bar magnet. Bar magnet. Now students, bar magnet, it is a long rectangular bar. It is a long rectangular bar of uniform area of cross-section of uniform area of cross-sections which attracts pieces of iron, nickel and cobalt. Now students, the definition of a bar magnet, I'll draw the diagram also. Now students, this is the shape of the bar magnet. Is it clear, student? Bar magnet, bar means it is something of the rectangular shape. For example, this is duster is of the rectangular shape. Is it clear, students? So something like this. So now students, it is a long rectangular bar uniform area of cross-section which has the property of attracting the pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt. Only the shape they have given as a rectangular. Now, student, what is the property of bar magnet? Again, I am going to just discuss the definitions of bar magnet. It is a long rectangular bar of uniform area of projections which attracts the pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt, and this shape is there of this is a bar magnet. Now, student, what is the characteristics or the property of the bar magnet? Now, the bar magnet, number one, as it is, you know that it is a rectangular shape. Yes, it has two poles. It has two poles. One is a north pole, another one is a south pole. Bar magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. And ultimately, the students, the beauty of this bar magnet is, I can say, the characteristics, property, or the beauty of this bar magnet is when this bar magnet is suspended freely. For example, if I got this bar magnet and if I tie a thread in the center of this bar magnet. Now, students, please listen carefully again. Now, if this bar magnet, it is tied from the center with a thread, and if it is suspended freely, then it will be always pointed toward the north and south. अगर इस बार मैग्नेट को मैं एक सेंटर में से थ्रेड के साथ इसको बांधकर अगर मैं लटकाता हूं फ्रीली, तो अल्टीमेटली तो इस ये क्या करेगा कि ये नॉर्थ और साउथ डायरेक्शन में इंडिकेट करेगा. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? So bar magnet, it has two poles, north pole, south pole, and when this bar magnet, it is suspended freely with a thread, with the help of the thread, then it will always always pointing toward the north and south direction. Is it clear, students? Now, for example, you are having this bar magnet and you are having one more bar magnet. You are having two bar magnet. Now, student, the property, again, what it says, the similar property, the similar pole, for example, north pole and another bar magnet, it is also having the same polarity, north pole. So similar pole, they will repel each other, and opposite pole, they will attract each other. This is also property of if I got the two bar magnet. First is this is the property of the this is a magnetism, property of the magnetism. What it says, similar pole, they will repel each other, and opposite pole, they will attract each other. Clear, students? For example, this is a bar magnet, and I got this also bar magnet. If this is a north pole and this is also north pole, if I'll bring both the bar magnet near to that, now it will repel because polarity, this is north and it is also north. So they will repel each other. Now, if it is north pole and it is of the south pole, definitely they will attract each other. This is the property of the magnetism. Clear, students? Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, students, we were discussing about this magnet, bar magnet. So bar magnet, it is a long, that rectangular bar of the uniform area of projections, then which attract the pieces of iron, nickel, and cobalt, and it has two poles, north pole and south pole. The property of that's the magnetism, what it says. Similar pole repel each other and opposite pole attract each other. This is the property of the magnetism. Please note down. Now, student, next one which we are going to discuss, and I am going to explain to you, that is a magnetic field, which is very, very important. Magnetic field and magnetic field lines. And what are the properties of magnetic field lines? Very, very important topic, which now we are going to study. Next topic. Please note down. First, you note down the definition of a bar magnet. So before I should tell you the magnetic field. Now this is a one more thing I want to tell you. There is a magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Now, student, magnetic compass. So it the shape is like this. So north, south, that's the east, west. Now, student, in between it is the northeast. Now it will be the west, south, and it will be the southeast, and student, it will be the northwest. Now with this, student, it is a compass which gives us the directions. Ultimately है क्या उसके अंदर एक magnetic needle है, a magnetic needle which is pivoted in the center. ठीक है, एक aluminum का एक box, एक cylinder, it is a one type of the box is there in which it a magnetic needle which is mounted in at the center, mounted at the centers. Whenever there's a any of the magnet which is brought near to this compass, so it will show the deflections. It will show the deflections. Ultimately, students, क्या था कि magnetic compass का कहाँ पे use होता था? Generally, still it is being used in the defenses, in the army. People, they are using, for example, they are going in the field, they are going in the war field, and after that they have just because they are not knowing where we are presently. They are in the, say, in the forest. They are not knowing the directions. So when they will be having this compass, so immediately they will come to know with the help of the compass, yes, they are in the north direction, they are in the south direction, or they are in the east direction, they are in the west directions, or in between also the direction north and east, northeast. So it means, so to locate the directions, we are using this magnetic compass. So it will be very useful, student. Now, when we will plot this graph, when we will plot this magnetic field lines of forces in the next topic, so there we will use this, how to use this magnetic compass. But meantime, you must know the magnetic compass. It is used for finding the directions. And whenever any magnetic substance brought near to this, then it will show the deflections. It will show the deflections. Clear, students? It is clear, students? Now, if you want to write down the definition of the magnetic compass, you may, please, you can write down. I will write down the definition. Magnetic compass, or that it is called compass needle also. So definition of a magnetic compass or the compass needle is, it is a small magnetic needle or pointer, it is a small needle or the pointer pivoted at its center. At its center in a small aluminum or brass or the brass case with a glass top painted red. That needle is painted in the red color, painted red. Then pointer indicates north direction. The red color which is painted with the red, that it indicates that pointer, it indicates the north direction. Students, again, I written the definitions of the magnetic compass or the compass needle. It is a small magnetic needle or the pointer. It is a small magnetic, that's the needle or the pointer. Then it is pivoted at the center in a small aluminum or the brass case. Then case with a glass top, means ऊपर से क्या है, उसके ऊपर शीशे का कवर है. Then painted red pointer indicates the north direction. Students, जो उसके अंदर जो needle है, so needle is like this. It will be like this. It will be in the red color. सेंटर से स्टूडेंट्स क्या रहेगा, कुछ इस प्रकार से रहेगा, ठीक है. और जो ऊपर स्थित ग्लास है स्टूडेंट इसके, बट अल्टीमेटली ये नीडल है जो इंडिकेट करता है, अगर डायरेक्शन इसकी ऐसे किया जाए, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, जो रेड कलर है, जो ये रेड कलर क्या इंडिकेट करेगा, नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन को इंडिकेट करता है. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट? सो आई रिटन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ कंपास. प्लीज नोट डाउन, quickly note down, then we'll go further for the next term, that's a magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Please note down. Yes, students, now the very important topic now which we are going to discuss, that is called the magnetic field and field lines. Field and that is called the field lines. First, student will discuss the topic. I'll tell you the magnetic field. After that, the field lines. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, इट इज अ स्पेस और द रीजन अराउंड द मैग्नेट, अराउंड द से वी कैन से बार मैग्नेट बोल सकते हैं और मैग्नेट कह सकते हैं अगर जनरली बात करें तो. द स्पेस और द रीजन अराउंड द मैग्नेट अप टू विच इट्स इन्फ्लुएंस कैन बी एक्सपीरियंस्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए क्या है, मेरे पास एक बार मैग्नेट है, क्लियर है, इज इट क्लियर? दिस बार मैग्नेट और द मैग्नेट इज लाइंग ऑन द सरफेस. नाउ स्टूडेंट, इफ आई गॉट द आयरन आर्टिकल्स, अगर मेरे पास आयरन के आर्टिकल्स हैं और अगर मैं उसको इसके आसपास लेकर आता हूं तो दे विल स्टार्ट अट्रैक्टिंग. तो अगर मैं उसको लेकर आता हूं तो वो अट्रैक्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. अब स्टूडेंट्स, वो कितने एरिया में, अगर जब तक मतलब है इसका इन्फ्लुएंस, इसका प्रभाव, वो कितने एरिया तक है कि जहां तक ये जो है, जो आयरन के पीसेस अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, अगर मैं थोड़ा सा इसको दूर लेकर जाऊंगा, इफ आई टेक दिस स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ द आयरन फ्रॉम दिस मैग्नेट, this piece of magnet, then they will not be attracting, they will not be attracted, they are attracting toward this magnet. It means now they are not in the region or in the vicinity or in the influence of this magnet. So student, very well I can say the definition of the magnetic field, it is the space, it is the region, it is the area or it is the vicinity. मैंने 4 शब्द यूज किए स्टूडेंट. I use the 4 words. The space around the magnet, the region around the magnet, the area around the magnet or the vicinity around the magnet. Again, students, the space around the magnet, the region around the magnet, the area around the magnet or the vicinity around the magnet up to which its influence can be experienced is called magnetic field. Is it clear, student? Is it understood? Again, please listen carefully. Magnetic field is the space, area, region, vicinity around the magnet up to which its influence can be experienced. That region, that area, that space, or that vicinity is called magnetic field. If it is within that area, means it will definitely attract the pieces of iron. If it is not in that area, if the small pieces of the iron, they are taken away from that area or that region or that space or that vicinity, they will not be attracted toward that magnet. It means they are beyond this magnetic field. I think concept is very, very clear. Now I'll write down the definition of magnetic field. Please note down. Now students, magnetic field is the whatever I have said to you or whatever I have explained to you, same thing I'll write down on the blackboard. Please note down. So magnetic field, it is the space, magnetic field, it is the space, I can say the region, the space, region around the, or area, I can say around the magnet, around the magnet, around the magnet in which the magnetic force, in which the magnetic force, ब्रैकेट में हम लिख सकते हैं इट्स इन्फ्लुएंस, इट्स मींस जो उसका इन्फ्लुएंस है उसी को मैंने क्या कह दिया, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. दे आर द इमेजिनरी, स्टूडेंट दिखाई तो देती नहीं है बट हम वी कैन फील इट. सो द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स इज exerted, is called magnetic field. Clear, student? Please note down. Magnetic field, the space, region, or the area around the magnet in which the magnetic force or its influence is exerted is called, or it can be experienced, is called magnetic field. Clear definition, students? The definition of the magnetic field. Clear, students? This is an activity or this you can perform in the lab. करना क्या है students? देखिए क्या है, अभी मैं एक डायग्राम, अभी आप एक्टिविटी भी यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन भी करूंगा and I'll draw the diagram also. First you note down the definition. Please note down. Yes, students. Now this is a bar magnet. क्लियर है? थोड़ा और इसको क्लियर करके करते हैं. तो डायरेक्ट नीचे यहाँ पे north and south bar magnet. I have shown here north pole and south. स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी में है क्या? क्लियर है स्टूडेंट? बार मैग्नेट आप ले लीजिएगा. उसके बाद आयरन की फिलिंग्स मींस आयरन पाउडर. ठीक है, आयरन का जो पाउडर है, स्पेशली आपने देखा होगा जो आयरन का जैसे काम करते हैं, जैसे गेट वगैरह बनाते हैं, तो उनके पास जैसे वो कटिंग करते हैं आयरन की, तो आयरन का जो है बहुत सारा पाउडर और आयरन वहां से मिल जाती है. ठीक है, वो आयरन की फिलिंग्स, जैसे जो आयरन का अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे जो इसके आसपास में है, मींस जो ये नॉर्थ जो है नॉर्थ पोल है. सो जो नॉर्थ पोल यहाँ पे इंडिकेट कर रहा है स्टूडेंट, द नॉर्थ पोल विच इज इंडिकेटिंग. तो यहाँ पे जैसे अगर आप डालोगे अल्टीमेटली यहाँ पे डाला आपने, इधर भी डाल दिया स्टूडेंट। सारे पे अगर डालते हैं अल्टीमेटली होगा क्या कि जो यहाँ है इसका और बल्कि जहां पे जो होगा सेंटर में यहाँ पे कम है। व्हाट इट इंडिकेट्स कि मींस जैसे आप उस आयरन फिलिंग्स को इस बार मैग्नेट के ऊपर डालेंगे तो जहां पे इसके पोल्स हैं वहां पे तो यहाँ पे वो इतना ज्यादा स्टिक नहीं होगा। सो ये भी बहुत कुछ इंडिकेट करेगा स्टूडेंट। इस टाइप की एक्टिविटी क्या इंडिकेट करेगी? ये इंडिकेट करती